Expressing gratitude in English. Mastering saying thanks. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important aspect of communication: expressing gratitude. Saying thanks may seem simple, but it's a powerful way to build relationships and convey politeness in English. Let's dive in. Thank you is the most common way to express gratitude in English. It's suitable for both formal and informal situations. However, the tone of your voice and your body language can add depth to this simple phrase. A smile and eye contact can make your thanks seem more sincere. Thanks a lot, or thanks so much. Use these when you want to emphasize your gratitude. I really appreciate it. This phrase is great for expressing gratitude for a specific action. I'm grateful for. Use this to express gratitude for a particular thing or situation. When someone says thank you, it's polite to acknowledge their gratitude. You can say, "You're welcome," "No problem," "Don't mention it," "My pleasure." In English-speaking cultures, expressing gratitude is not just polite, it's expected. Not saying thanks can be seen as rude or ungrateful. However, over-thanking for small things might seem insincere. Let's practice. I'll give you a scenario, and you think of an appropriate way to say thanks. For example, if someone holds a door for you, you might say, "Thank you," or "Thanks a lot." Thank you for joining me in this lesson on expressing gratitude in English. Remember, saying thanks is more than just words. It's about conveying your appreciation sincerely. Keep practicing, and you'll master this important social skill in no time.